Good morning, everybody. Kids, in our today's class, we are not going to learn or write anything. Today, we will do one activity. Yes, I know you all love to do activities, so come with me, okay? First, we will do the activity, then, we will come to know that what is the name of the activity, okay? So, follow it properly. Okay, everybody, come with me.
So, my dear kids, look here. I am having so many objects with me. Can you see it? One pen, one color pencil, lock, spoon, a bowl, fish, a chain, some keys, and one basket. So, can you tell me for what purpose I have arranged these objects? Yes, can you guess what I will do with these objects? With these things, what I will do? So, let us see. See here, I have arranged some water in this tub. See here, in this tub there are water, lots of water. So, kids, now today we are going to do an activity. See here, first I am taking this color pencil and I will drop it in the water. What we are observing is that the color pencil is floating in the water. Yes, the color pencil is floating in the water. See here how it is floating like a boat. Now we will take this spoon and drop it in the water. We observe that the spoon has sinked inside the water. See here, spoon has went deep down into the water, but the pencil is floating. Kids, floating means in Bengali we say ভেসে থাকা, ভাষা, জলে ভাষা, and sinked means ডুবে যাওয়া. Okay, so we observe that pencil is floating and the spoon is sinking in the water. Floating and sinking. Okay, now let us see with some other objects what will happen. Look here, I am dropping this pen in the water. The pen is also floating. See here, the pen is also floating in the water. Now I will drop some keys. Yes, keys in the water. Let us see what will happen. You can see that the keys have sinked inside the water along with the spoon. Look, keys went down inside the water, but the pen is floating above the water. Now I will drop one fish. Wow, see here, the fish is also floating. The fish is also floating on the water. See how it is floating? Very good. Now I will drop this chain in the water. See here, the chain has went inside the water. That means the chain has sinked in the water. The chain is sinking, but the fish is floating. Now I will drop this basket. See here, we observe that the basket is also floating in the water. See here how it is floating. Now I will drop this lock in the water. You can see that the lock has also sinked inside the water. See? Now we will at last drop this bowl in the water. See? The bowl is also floating in the water. So kids, we observed that the color pencil, the pen, fish, basket, bowl, all these things are floating. But why do you know? Because these are light objects. These are light objects. Light means halka. But all the heavy objects, yes, heavy means bhari. Okay, heavy objects like lock, spoon, chain, keys, they sinked into the water because they are heavy. Okay, kids?
Dear kids, this was our today's activity on floating and sinking. Yes, we came to know that the heavy objects always sinks in the water, and the light objects, yes, light objects always floats in the water. Okay, so this was our activity on floating and sinking. Hope you all enjoyed. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.